Here we are at 3938 Clearfield Lane in Ammon, Idaho. This is a twin home. It does have a two-car garage with a paved driveway here. Mature tree in the front yard. Sits on the corner. This is the right-hand unit. As we come up, you'll notice that it does have some landscaping here next to the sidewalk. As we enter the home, you'll notice there is a tile landing strip here that transitions to carpet. To our right is a small hallway. The master is on our left. Good sized room here. On our right hand side there is a large walk-in master closet. And a bathroom here. It does have a shower. Toilet in the corner and the vanity here. This hall turns to the right, and at the end of the hall is a bathroom here. Nice big mirror, large vanity, drawer space there, full tub and surround. Then at the end of the hall are two bedrooms. Good sized closet there with bifold doors. This bedroom is similar to the first. Only this closet has a swinging door. The washer and dryer hookups are here on our left. You do have some shelving space overhead, which is nice. This is a view of the family room. Nice big open room. It does have vaulted ceilings, as well as a ceiling fan. This window faces the backyard. This is the dining room here. It transitions from carpet to vinyl floor here. Overhead light. Sliding glass door here that takes you to the backyard. Nice paving stones. Give you a little place in this corner of the yard to barbecue. Fully fenced yard. And then just off the dining room is the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Lots of cupboard space and countertop space. Dishwasher there. A corner pantry with some built-in shelving. And then this door opens up into the garage. It is a two-car garage, so it gives you quite a bit of space. That's it for upstairs. I'll go ahead and take you to the basement. It is fully finished. The stairway is just to the left as you enter the front door. This opens up to a nice big family room. You do have a little spot here underneath the stairs, which is finished as well. The first door on our right is the utility room. It's unfinished, but makes for good storage. This is where the furnace and water heater are at. Large bedroom here in the right corner of the basement. Closet there. Bathroom at the end of the hall. It does have tile floors. A standing shower there. Nice vanity and medicine closet or cabinet. And then another bedroom here in this corner. And this closet has a full swinging door as well. And that concludes our tour. Thank you for watching. This is Home River Group. If you have any questions or would like to see this home, please give us a call or visit our website at homeriveridaho falls.com. Thanks.